Welcome. In this video, I'll explain how you can join the competition, whether you already have an account or you're registering for the first time. There are two possible scenarios, and both follow a simple and similar process. For existing users, if you already have an account, you can join the competition directly. You may log in, sign up, or click on Join Competition from the main section where the prizes are displayed. When you start, you'll be asked to enter your email address. If your email is already registered, the system will recognize you and prompt you to enter your password. Once you log in successfully, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a banner for the Christmas tournament. You can join the competition from this banner or by going to the competition section from the left menu. There, you can view all the tournament details and join the competition. For new users, if you don't already have an account, you'll follow the same steps by clicking Join Competition from the header or the main competition section. You'll be asked to enter your email address. If the email is not registered, the system will guide you through creating a new account. You'll need to enter your name, phone number, country code, and choose a password. You can review the terms and conditions before continuing. Once you complete the registration, a verification email will be sent to you. After receiving the email, enter the verification code to confirm your account. Once verified, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access the competition section from the left menu or, on mobile devices, through the hamburger menu. From there, you can view the tournament details and join the competition. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the competition.